This animation produced by the European Space Agency ESA is not to scale. In reality, pieces of space trash, from spent rockets and defunct satellites to broken parts and even lost hand tools, are much farther apart from each other. But many of them fly at speeds up to 40,000 kilometers per hour.
Hitting a satellite at that velocity roughly corresponds to an exploding grenade. So the consequences of such a hit mean a satellite failure, for larger objects, even a satellite destruction and fragment generation.
Upon collision, new pieces scatter in different directions. Over the years, their number keeps growing, and the possibility of an impact with a spacecraft carrying astronauts is constantly increasing. At the recent conference in Germany, scientists debated what to do about the problem. ESA's Holger Craig says it needs a global response.
Use of services from space is in everybody's interest. Mitigating the problem, space debris, should be in everybody's interest as well, because we have generated a global problem that can only be solved on a global scale.
The U.S. Space Strategic Command tracks about 18,000 objects, the size of a soccer ball and larger. Scientists calculate that there are about 750,000 centimeter-sized objects and several million not much larger than 1 millimeter. And this is what a 1 centimeter wide piece of steel moving at 7 kilometers per second can do when it collides with a block of aluminum. The only way to safely remove the space debris would be to collect it, preferably before it shatters to small pieces. Several ideas are being tested, from a spacecraft equipped with a robotic arm to a net fired from a distance. But safely approaching and capturing a tumbling piece of metal moving at enormous speed is a problem that still doesn't have an easy solution. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.